Hello, I'm Saqib Niaz and I'm the CEO of SN Enterprise. I am passionate about helping the underprivileged youth in Sindh, Pakistan. I grew up in a remote village in Khyber, where I saw first-hand challenges that young people face in my community. So I wanted to do something for them to break the cycle of poverty by developing their skills, and that is the reason why I started SN Enterprise. My organization aims to solve the problem of youth unemployment and mental health in Sindh, Pakistan, and we do this by providing training and development programs that teach young people the skills they need to get the jobs, and by providing mental health support to help young people cope up with the stress of unemployment. We also provide training on entrepreneurship to the youngsters so that those who want to start their businesses can get the necessary training and then start their businesses. We also advocate for policies that support young people, such as increasing access to education and mental health care. The overall youth unemployment rate in Sindh is 3.9% according to Labour Force 2020 and 2021. However, the youth unemployment rate in rural Sindh is much higher, which is 5.9%, and which is even much higher for young women in rural Sindh at 6.6%. We generate our income through a variety of sources, including charging a nominal fee for our training programs. We also receive sponsorships from local businesses and organizations. We also receive donations from individuals and foundations who believe in our mission. We are unique because we are the only organization working in the remote areas of Sindh to tackle the problem of youth employment and mental health. We have a track record of success, and we are committed to innovation, we believe. And we also provide young people with the skills and support and opportunities they need to succeed in their lives. We work with young people from all the backgrounds, regardless of their caste, religion, and gender, and we believe everyone deserves the opportunity to succeed, and we are working to make that happen. Thank you very much.